Alrighty, welcome to today's unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing what's in this box. It's a pretty darn great item, and yes, I am unboxing it on the floor. That's just because I'm out of table surfaces to unbox things on. Let's get this tape broken, and we can break into the unboxing. Now, this literally just arrived. I just got it from the UPS guy who dropped it off. And for those who can see past my hands, you will know I now am the proud owner of Oculus Quest 2. Kick that out of here. Alright. Wonderfully packaged. Ooh, and an easy peel. This easy little peel up here to get into the plastic. All the way down the side. Right on open. We got the slide off. And let's see, here on the back plate we got Star Wars Tales from Galaxy's Edge, The Climb 2, Jurassic World Aftermath, Horizon, Population 1, and Beat Saber, which I'm excited for some Beat Saber, and they just added multiplayer mode to it as well, which it looks like you can do up to like 5 people in the same game, which is really cool. We've got next level hardware, a blazing fast processor, and ultra realistic graphics put you in the center of the action. And we've also got an easy setup. Let's open the box and jump right into VR. No PC, console, wires, or external sensors needed. Not needed, but I have mine for the ability for some squadrons. And then it's backwards compatible. Blast, slash, and spin your way through the Oculus Quest content library. Requires internet connection and a Facebook account. Smartphone required to run the Oculus app. Free download to set up. Now we've got, no, that's all for me. Yeah, just the gorgeous front of the box, which is great. I'm gonna set that to the side and get to the main event. Ooh, I like that. They really got a good. Hey, I'm gonna peek first. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Alright, that's everything in the box. Comes included with the new improved touch controllers with a little sensor on them to right there to show you where your thumb is when it's just resting and not hitting the buttons or nothing, so you can show better tracking. Got nice big old clicky buttons right there. They sound great. Put that back in there. I assume the other one's identical. And we got this little box. I'm gonna set that off to the side while we grab the main item and free the glasses spacer. Yay! I do wear glasses sometimes, so that may come in handy. other controller. Yep, just as efficient. But before we get to the actual headset, I'm going to open up this little box. And it's got... Ooh! So, you get to this box and you open it up and it's got this little pack. And then inside this pack is your instruction manual. And looks like warranty guide, yeah. So that's awesome. Nice and organized. I like it. I like it. Very tidy packaging. USB-C to USB-C cable for charging the Quest headset. And wall adapter. Standard. Just gonna put that all back in the box there. And we're gonna grab out the main thing, the headset. Back out. It's not super heavy, which is nice. It says move lenses left or right to find the clearest view. Ooh, there's nothing. But yeah, the lens is inside, all turned off, powered off. They got the little keep clean little plastic sheets on there. We're gonna peel and peel. Wow. Hey, you guys can play now too. Having fun yet? No? Okay, I'll take it back. Guess I gotta return it. You guys weren't having fun. Oh well. Yeah, this is very, very nice. See how it fits on me right now. Wow, that fits nicely. I like the new strap. I did try out the old one. The new one is just very, very, very nice. It looks good, it feels good. Even the current strap feels nice. But I guess the other one's got some better tightening on it, which I did order that one. We'll be adding that unboxing after this one. Alright, continuing off of where we started from. With the other video, we have the Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap with battery and carrying case in this box here. So we're gonna open that up and peel here. And check it out the bottom. And voila. Carrying case. Anything else in here? No. Alright. Set that off to the side. We got the carrying case, which kind of a hardy, fabric-y feel top. Let's see, what's the case remind me of feel-wise? Not sure what it feels like. I'm not sure how to describe that material, but it does have a strap at the back here. Quite nice. Whatever this is here. I think it's the zipper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That unzips real nice. Open it up. On the inside, we've got documentation and the holder for it all. Which documentation is just for quick start guide. Doesn't want to focus. Alright, fine. Doesn't want to focus. Got a quick start guide and safety and warranty guide in there, which is all fine and well. And we got this little holder, little remove with care. Follow quick start guide. And with this, we've got the USB-C charging cable right in there. And at the back of the head here, we've got the little cup bracket for the back of your head. Let me see how that feels. Ooh, yeah. That cups quite well. Really well. Long gaming sessions, here we come. Alright. I'm gonna remove this piece of papery, tagboardy feeling crap. Holding that off, and bam. The adjuster for the strap to make them go longer or shorter, and the shorter clicks down until it's tight. For a nice, easy, quick fitting headset. Case itself though, man, I love the look of that. That is so nice to look at and see. It finally arrived. I ordered it at the same time I ordered the Quest, which the unboxing part for that I actually filmed about 3 or 4 days ago when I first got it. Or no, last week. Last week Tuesday I filmed it. It's almost a full week ago, because it is Monday now. But yeah, I'm excited to attach this to my Quest, which as far as attaching it to your Quest goes, you just start at the top of these parts. You can't start at the bottom or you risk breaking them. Start at the top. And you just bend back at this part of the plastic right here. What's here? You just doop. And then for unhooking the strap, I'm gonna pull off the face plate here. And we will undo the strap. Pull it on through. And shut it off because I don't want it on yet. And then we will take the strap and we will feed that right on through there. Yep. And then simply put it in. You'll stick it in the back there and clip it. Just like that. A nice click sound to let you know it's in there. And there too. Yeah. The weight's way more balanced out with this. Oh yeah, the weight is way more balanced. I'm gonna stick the face plate back in here. Whoop. Bumping the camera. Let me move the top. And waiting to hit click sounds. And alright. And you just adjust the top strap for the top of your head, and then at the back you just either twist one way to make it bigger, or the other way to quickly decrease the size of head that goes into this. But yeah, that is the case and battery pack expansion. I've got some other stuff coming for my Quest. I don't think I'll do any unboxings on those, but for this one, I wanted to do the battery pack in the Quest itself. I also bought the 16-foot cable for the Oculus Link to connect it to my computer, but unboxing that wasn't anything special. It was just simply a USB-C to USB-C cable with data transfer in it. Nice thick cable though. Nice thick cable. But that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, obliterate that like button down below. And subscribe if you're new. Also, I know I've been absent from the channel for like 2 weeks now, but that's because I've been working on getting all this stuff set up, getting it ordered, arrived, the space prepared for it to, move around in VR. And yeah, I'm going to be using this camera that I have here to record these videos to record my physical gameplay so you can see me moving around the real world, and then I'll have game capture as well for VR games, which some of those could be coming up on the channel within the next couple weeks here, once I figure out the best ways to do that and implement it. But yeah, just one final roll over of the whole thing to easy plug in for your cable there. Just click, and then a little light on the other side to let you know it's charging. Which I don't know, it looks like a white light on the camera, but it's actually like an orange one in real life, so that little orange charge light that some electronics have. But yeah, fitting it in here though. Let's see how well it does. Oh wow, that fits snugly. Tuck that in there. And I know we can go ahead and grab the controllers and tuck them like that. Stick them right under the strap. And close up the case real nice and easy. Okay, nice and easy as long as there's not a little nubby in the way at the edge there. There. Fully put in the carrying case. All you need, all in one. All in one, baby. Excited to be able to utilize this a little bit. And yeah. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.